My name is Alvin L. Bulawan.
Mary J. Cañelas. My name is Arsh Maria Esposa.
Jesrar Garcia.
We are from BSACS2A.
Guys, pansin niyo ba na grabe ang tagtuyot ngayon? Pero parang may mga tinanim pa rin na di epektado? Bakit kaya?
Oo nga, sa research farm may mga crops na parang kaya nilang mabuhay kahit sobrang init. May sekreto ba sila? Hindi, meron isa sa mga dahilan na tinatawag na lipid metabolism. Ayon sa FAO 2019, understanding cellular responses like lipid signaling is a key to build drought tolerance.
Tama. Hindi lang basta energy storage ang lipids. Sila ay critical sa climate resilience ng halaman.
Paano ba yan gumagana?
Well, lipids help protect plant cells kapag kulang ito sa tubig. Sa drought stress, nagbabago ang cell membrane structure para hindi ito madaling masira. Ito ang tinatawag na membrane lipid remodeling. At dahil sa lipids, nagkakaroon ng adaptive responses ang mga halaman, like better water retention and energy supply. According to IPCC 2022, improving plant biochemical resilience is part of climate adaptation strategies.
So yes, lipids actually help crops to survive and adapt in extreme heat and dry conditions.
Ginagamit ba ito sa totoong farming?
Yes! May mga projects now focused on identifying drought-resilient crops using metabolic traits like lipid responses. The World Bank 2020 support climate-smart agriculture approaches that include biochemical research.
At syempre, kasama dito ang genetic selection at breeding program that misuse information to build a better crop varieties.
Sabi nga ng ASEAN 2021, regional food security depends on developing climate resilient agricultural systems.
So, paano siya konektado sa SDG 13?
SDG 13, Climate Action, calls for urgent efforts to adapt agriculture to climate change. Lipids metabolism makes crops more climate resilient na tugma sa goal na ito.
Ayon pa sa United Nations 2023, science-based solutions are essential to build resilience in vulnerable sectors like agriculture.
Through biochemistry, especially lipid metabolism, nakatutulong tayo sa global movement to fight climate change.
Grabe! Akala ko ang lipids pang energy lang. Pero lifesaver pala sila sa panahon ng tagtuyot.
Tama! Biochemistry plays a major role in achieving climate resilience, lalo na sa crops. Tandaan, lipid plus science is equals to climate's action.
At tumutugma rin ito sa layunin ng ASEAN at SDG 13.
Let's grow smarter, not just harder.